in the silence of your lonely moments, when nobody calls, when nobody seems to understand your pain, God still sees you. Every tear you cried in secret, every battle you fought alone, every moment you almost gave up, He was there beside you. Sometimes God allows loneliness not to destroy you, but to separate you from distractions, to heal your heart, to prepare your spirit for something greater. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are being prepared. The same God who closed certain doors is the God who is about to open the right one. A door of peace, a door of restoration, a door of blessing that no man can shut. Stay strong a little longer. Your wilderness is not your final destination. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34:18. If you still believe God is working in your life, type Amen.